guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be looking at the euro dollar and also the US dollar Japanese yen. So guys, before we look at the chart, go visit my website, fxrhapsody.co.za. If you scroll down, there's your video categories on the side here. So if you're getting started in trading, go click that area, and then it will take you to my videos on getting started. And you've got all these strategies, analysis, and so forth. You get your trading platforms where you can just click on it and go download the trading platform that you desire to trade on. Also, you got your news feeds on the side here and some very nice tools looking at your markets and so forth. And you get all your videos on the left hand pane, and then just click on the image and it will take you straight to the videos. Got my brokers over here as well. Currently I've got two brokers that I prefer, two preferred brokers. IFX, very good broker. A-book broker, if you don't know what an A-book broker is, just go click there and it will tell you exactly what they are. And then also they've got very, very nice spreads. Click on that section, it will show you the spreads of this broker. So just click here, join the family. They've got some nice deposit methods as well. DREF, obviously, trading my VIX 75 and all those other synthetic indexes. But currently, we are waiting on IFX, and they are busy processing and getting VIX 75 and all those other synthetic indexes on their systems. So in the very near future, I will be trading all my trades, or doing all my trades on one broker. Also, resource tab, just go down, click that, and you get your nice cheat sheet, cheat sheet, and then also commitment of traders, updated every weekend. So just click there to download. We'll download straight to your computer, PC, laptop, smartphones. Okay, off the bat, I'm going to tell you these two pairs are, I've got, I'm not going to say no clue to what's going to happen this week coming, but there's definitely some interesting things that might happen. But let's just have a look at the two pairs, and I will show you what I see on the charts. Starting off with the Euro USD, so we can see that that the euro broke this previous support structure. It retested it as this area acting as a resistance. So currently retesting that area on the monthly, and it's not breaking it. It's not breaking above it. So let's see what happens towards the end of this month and how that candle closes. Now, the interesting thing is on the weekly. This is where it gets a bit more interesting. Okay, now there's a number of things that's happening here. So off the bat, you can see this. Let's say this is our, let's do that. I'm going to draw the Fibonacci, then I'll talk. So you get your swing high, and let's assume this is our swing low. So what I would love to happen is, first of all, price reaching this area before selling off again. Okay, that's scenario number one off the bat. So that is what I would love to see happening. But then you've got this scenario over here as well. So let's take our Fibonacci from this high over here to this low. Let me see if that is the low I'm looking for. Yes, that's it. So I'm just going to draw it a little bit more sideways. There we go. So we have the swing high, the swing low. Price came up, and then it retested, or it retraced all the way to the area between the 62 and the 79%. It was a nice retracement. This is now weekly time frame, guys. Remember, higher time frames, swing trading. So, and then price started moving to the downside, and then it started making its move to the down. So your first target is obviously, if you were to swing trade this, that will be our first target. Second target, which price might be hitting, let's just take this out. don't want to confuse the situation over here. So our second target, if this is the case, if price is following this Fibonacci of this retracement, so you selling here or you sold here a couple of weeks ago, let's call it a couple of months ago, if you're a swing trader, and price is still moving down. So it passed the first take profit area, your first target area. Your second target area, look at this. How does that line up for you? So that acts as an area of resistance as well in the market. So this is definitely going to be a key area to look out for. So let us just draw in our Fibonacci again, our smaller one. So we were saying that let's assume this is our swing for now, our small little swing. And it can also just, I mean, price might just swing over here first, or not retrace back from here. Price might go down and hit that second target area before retracing. So this is where it's getting interesting. We need to, there's obviously a lot of assumptions around what price is going to do now. Will price retrace from here back? Will this be our swing? Will that be the swing? And then price moving up to that area, and then going down to our second target area if you're a swing trader? Or is it going to be that scenario? Price moving down, this is our swing, going up, retracing all the way to here, which is also a nice, like we see here, it's a nice structure area, and then from there maybe continuing to the downside. So like I said, guys, a lot of scenarios that could happen with the euro. For me, I don't want to predict it. I don't want to predict what price is going to do. All I want to do is I want to trade what I want to basically react to what price is giving me. Let's go look at the daily time frame. Let's expand this a little bit. So looking again at that Fibonacci, you take it from the high, that swing, and by the looks of it, looks like a nice little swing over here. This is our bigger, the bigger Fibonacci, or the bigger swing, if I can say that. So what we see in the market here is liquidity that's lying on top here. Okay, that's first liquidity area. Then we also get liquidity that falls nicely here by the 62%. Okay, so let's just expand this area a little bit. Let's just make it all nice and neat. So you've got two areas of liquidity, and then obviously the one at the top. I'm not going to draw that in now, but these are nice key areas of liquidity. So where we would see price heading. So first of all, if we follow this swing at the top to the swing low, let's assume price comes. If price goes and hits that liquidity, it's more than likely to carry on to go and take out that liquidity as well. That price action. Price action will hunt that liquidity. But again, price is not going to just move to the upside. So what we'll see most probably is, again, something like that. Seeing that this will act as a kind of a structure in the market, will bounce and then go and take out liquidity there. Okay, so we might see something like that happening to the euro in the next couple of days, or let's just take all of this out. So many factors with these two, with this pair. And then, or there's also another Fibonacci, the very smaller one. So let's leave that liquidity in there. And then what we can see here is, we draw in the smaller little Fibonacci, it's expanded, and you can see it better. There we go. So you can see price going down, coming up, retracing, and this is our key area. You see that? So for me, first of all, I need to see price breaking this area. I need to see price hunting that liquidity before the previous one that I showed you, the bigger one, hunting that liquidity at the top. Before that happens, price first needs to break this area over here and go and tap that liquidity. Then I will be looking at placing buys for price to go up to that side. But for now, I'm still biased on a sell. I mean, price could easily just from here on drop down, not tapping that liquidity, leaving that intact for now, drop down and going to hunt that targets at the bottom. Let's look at our COT reports. In COT reports, you can see that the euro went from a 27,000, or you can even take it from here. It went from 100 and something thousand, 118,000 at the it was last year, or no, at the beginning, mid this year in June, and it dropped all the way to negative 22,000. A lot more longs were opened in the market, a little bit more shorts as well, but more longs. Just, you know, the euro strengthened a little bit, and that's why you can see this little uptrend going like this. So let's see what happens this week. Will this be the key area that price just retraced to, this little small area, and then price drops off, or will the euro carry on to the upside, taking out and tapping out this liquidity as it moves up to new, well, not new highs, but just to go and hunt that liquidity at the top there. Okay, that is it for the euro USD dollar. Let's go have a look at another conundrum in the market for this week. The dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen in a monthly, you can see this area over here. So this is a very, very strong area on a monthly time frame, higher time frame. You can see the price actually came up, and eventually it's within or in this zone. So again, we are midway to the month or through the month. So this candle can easily just retract or retract back and then make a long, nice wick, or it can even break this area of resistance and then just start moving to the upside. Okay, just scrolling out so you can see the movement of the market there. So that is monthly. Let's move on to the weekly. So we know it's now currently sitting in that key area in the market. So weekly time frame. What can we see on the weekly time frame? So let's take off Fibonacci from this area, this swing to that swing. Okay, let's do that. Expand it a little bit. So basically I'm taking my Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, and you can see price coming down and tapping into this key area. I've made an analysis on this before, where the buys were placed, and for this nice long shoot to the upside. So first target was obviously reached. First target was actually tapping out this liquidity that was lying here, and then price just started pushing to the upside due to the Japanese yen weakening a lot. And we saw that, just wanted to show you COT reports. We look at the Japanese yen, so you can see that the Japanese yen, a huge amount of shorts were placed in the market against the Japanese yen, some longs, but a huge amount of shorts, pushing that negative figure even deeper into the negative, to negative 76,000. And that is, you can see the effect of that in this huge bullish movement to the upside. So currently the second target was taken out. Just wanted to scroll out a little bit, show you something interesting again. Look at where that second target was, right there. Bam. So if you look to the left, and this was a key area, October. Basically, it was October 2018. Okay, so that's a couple of years ago. Same time, couple of years ago, same time this year, basically, or same time of the year, a couple of years ago. There we go. This was a key area in the market. You can see what price did back then, went up, and eventually retraced back. So it made the huge candle at the top, and then shot back down. It was the first, well, it was basically in October, first week in October 2018. Will it repeat again this year? Will it do the same thing? Will this candle push up and then start pulling down again? Not well this candle, but the new candle. Will it, or will it carry on to the upside, going to our last area of, well, our last target area in the market? Don't know what's going to happen. So guys, I actually don't even want to draw, if you go down to the daily time frame, because this is such a bullish movement currently, and we currently do not know what's going to happen with the yen. Will it strengthen? So what I want to do is, I'm definitely this week just going to take a look at where this the swing high is going to happen. I'm going to keep my eyes on this. Will this be the swing high that happens here? Where's my tool? Like that and like that. Will the next candle go down from here? You know, do something like that, going up, forming that swing high. And if that is the case, that is where you're going to start placing your Fibonacci's, and then we can see what's going to happen. But again, we currently don't know what's up with the market here. Again, price might just carry on shooting up to the upside. It's all to do with yeah, lots of news in the market with the yen and all that, so let's keep an eye on that. Rather act to the market. You know, whatever it gives you, trade it, and especially on this pair. For me, it's very indecisive, so let's keep an eye out on that. Guys, that's all from me for today on these two pairs. I know it didn't make a lot of sense tonight. Hope you enjoyed it in any case. Hit that like button. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, especially on UJ for this coming week. And let's see how it plays out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more analysis and strategies coming your way. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.